Hello mathematicians! Welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will be playing a game on our number line called Race Up to 1000. Here's what you'll need. You will need your Number Corner book and a pencil. We will be on page 99 today. You can pause the video now to get what you need. We are going to play the game called Race Up to 1000. In this game, we will race each other to try to get the closest to 1000, either over or under, in only 5 jumps on our line. Today, you will be playing for the father kangaroo of Boomer, and I will be playing for the mother kangaroo of Flyer. Here's how the game works. Each team will roll 3 dice and arrange the numbers you roll into a 3-digit number in any order. That will be the number that you start on your number line. Each team will mark that number on their number line. The teams will take turns spinning the jump spinner right up here to see how far they will get to move each turn. Each team will get exactly 5 jumps, and you have to take all of them either forwards on your number line or backwards. You will choose. The team that is the closest to 1000 after their 5 jumps is the winner. We are going to use page 99 in our workbooks to keep track of the game. I will be Flyer, you will be Boomer. Let's play. Page 99 in your workbook, your Number Corner book, should look just like this. We will start with game 1, and remember, you will be playing for Boomer. So you can write Boomer on this line here, and you are only going to record Boomer's jumps on your number line. Let's see what our starting numbers will be. I'll go first as Flyer to kind of show you how it works. Here are the dice we have up here. They're all labeled 1 through 6. I'm going to toss my dice and see what number I can make. I have the numbers 3, 1, and 2. There are lots of different numbers I can make with these 3 digits. I could keep them just the way they are, and I could make the number 321. Can you think of any other numbers I could make with these 3 digits? Now you may have been thinking of a few different numbers. We could keep the 3 in our hundreds place, and we could switch our 10s and 1s to have 312. We could put our 1s in our hundreds place and have 132. We could keep the 1 in our hundreds place and switch our 10s and 1s again to have 123. Or we could put our 2 in the hundreds place and have the number 213. Or the number 231. Show a connection if you were thinking of any of these numbers. Yeah, they would all work. But because the goal is to get to 1000 in the end, I think I'm going to choose the largest number that we made, and that will be Flyer's starting number. So I'm going to write that down. Now I'm going to mark my starting point on my number line. Do you see the number 321 on my number line? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No, we don't see 321, but we can see 300 and 400. And 321 wouldn't quite be in the middle because 350 would be in between 300 and 400. And then if we cut that 50 in half, we'd be at about 325 right here. So I'll just put my starting point about there. Let's find your starting number now. Let's roll the dice again for you. Now you have the digits of 4, 6, and 1. You could make the number 461, or you could make a different number. Can you think of the largest number you could make with these 3 digits? Show a connection if this is the number you were thinking. Yeah, thumbs up or thumbs down. Should we go with the largest number? I'm gonna hope you're putting your thumbs up because I think, you might think this too, that if we start with our largest number, you'll have a better chance of getting to 1,000 before me. So let's put that down for your starting number as Boomer, and we'll put that in our student books too. All right, so on your board, you should have the number 641 written in your book right here. About where do you think 641 would be on our number line? What are you thinking? Show a connection if you're thinking it should be about halfway between 600 and 700. Yeah, that's really good thinking. 41 is really close to 50, and we know that 50 is halfway between 0 and 100, so we'll put our dot for you right in the middle, maybe a little bit closer to 600. So let's do the same on our other board too. You don't have this one, but I'll put this for you on your number line. All right, we have our starting numbers. We've tossed our dice. We are ready to play. I will start with my first spin to see how far I get to jump. Let's spin. Ooh, I have a jump of 100. I know that I want to get really close to 1,000, so I'm going to take my jump forwards. So I'm going to grab my marker, and I'm going to take a jump of 100, and I want to land just about where I started, but in the 400s. And I'm going to label that this was a jump of 100. So where did I land? Yeah, if you're thinking I landed on 421, that is good thinking. I'm just going to write it right in here the best I can to know where I landed. All right, are you ready for your first spin? Here we go. Let's see where you land. Ooh, you have a spin of 20. All right, do you think we should go forwards with a thumbs up or backwards with a thumbs down? I hope to see thumbs up. We want to go forwards because you want to get as close as you can to 1,000. So we started at 641. We're going to make just a little jump and put plus 20. And if you're at 641 and you take a jump of 20, where do you land? Show a connection if you're thinking 661. That's good thinking. All right, my turn again. Ooh, a jump of 50. Well, I want to get up to 1,000, so I'm going to take a jump forward. 421. I'll make my jump of plus 50. Well, I know 20 plus 50 equals 70, and then one more. I'm at 471. And I'm going to erase this so I don't get confused because I don't have a lot of space in between here. So I'm going to write my new spot of 471. Okie doke, let's jump for you. 40. Thumbs up for forwards, thumbs down for backwards. I hope to see thumbs up. You want to get all the way up to 1,000. So we're at 661. We are going to add a jump of plus 40. I'm going to erase this one so we don't get confused. If we add 40 to 661, where do we land? Show a connection if you're thinking 701. Yeah, you might have added 40 to 60 to know that that is 100. So that bumps us up to 700. Plus one more is 701. All right, you should be recording this on your student book. Let's check and make sure you have what you need on there. Make sure you have your jump of 20 to land on 661 and your jump of 40 to land on 701. You can pause the video now to record your jumps if you need more time. Okay, it's time for my third jump. Ooh, a jump of 50. I still want to get to that 1,000, so I'm going to go forwards. I'm at 471. I'll add another jump of 50 plus 50. Let me think. How can I do that? Well, I know that 50 could also be 30 plus 20, and I know that 70 plus 30 is 100. So if I had 71 plus 30, I'd be at 501. Plus 20 more, I'd be at 520. I'm gonna erase this so I don't get confused as to where I am. I'm at 520. All right, your turn. There we go. Ooh, that to me looks like it's right on the line. I think you get another spin. A jump of 100. Do you want to go forwards with the thumbs up or backwards with the thumbs down? Oh, you want to get to 1,000, so I should see a lot of thumbs up. This is an easy one. 701 plus 100 gets us where? Show a connection if you're thinking 801. Good thinking. We want to make sure we say that we jumped 100. Ooh, I'm getting a little worried. I better go for my fourth turn, see if I can get any closer. Maybe I'll get a 200. Oh, a 40. All right, I'm going to go forwards again. 520 plus 40. Well, I know that 20 plus 40 equals 60. So I know that I'm at 560. Oh, you are so much further than me. I hope that keeps going for you. Let's see what your next spin will be. Okay, it's a spin of 40. Let's add that up. 801 plus 40 gets us where? Show a connection if you're thinking 841. All right, let's find some space for you to write that there. 841. Before our last turn, let's check in and see how you're doing on recording this in your book. I know mine's a little messy, but you can pause the video to make sure yours is nice and neat to show your teacher. Where you are right now, you're at 841. Make sure you have those jumps of 20, 40, 100, and 40. You can pause the video if you need to. Let's take our last turns. All right, I'm going to take my last spin. Ooh, I'm really hoping for that 200 now to catch up a little bit. Oh, 100, still pretty good. I'm going to add my 100. 560 plus 100. I know that that will get me to... I just changed my digit in my hundreds place, and I get up to 660. That's where I'll land. I don't know. It doesn't look like I have a very good chance with how far ahead you are already. But let's take your last jump. A jump of 200. Do you think we should go forwards or backwards? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I hope you're saying thumbs up because remember, you can go over 1,000 and you still would be closest. So let's see where that would take you. Let's take a jump of 100 to get us to 941, and then a jump over of 100. So all together, this jump is 200. And we land on 1,041. Let's put that in your student books. You can finish this up, take a picture, and show your teacher that you won. And I'll see you next time for Number Corner.